So the vet's coming for an evaluation today.
Okay.
So maybe, I don't know what he's gonna get, what's gonna happen.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Nothing there? Okay.
No, that doesn't hurt. I always thought that the more gunk I could get out of there, the more
This is
this
coming off, too.
medicine would penetrate.
You have it right. That's exactly right.
And so I was kind of surprised when Min did not buzz that thing down. And I actually made the appointment with you before I got in to this lady that's part of the foot and ankle center. And I was like, well, there you go.
See, this is why it's really,
See, look, it's just junk.
yeah, but it's super close to your skin.
It is
This
super
is,
close.
yeah, it's like this right here is live skin, live tissue.
That's what Jonathan's always talking about, right?
Because you don't know what you're gonna get if you take off that layer. So this is gonna probably be tender if I take off the rest of this.
But what if we don't? I mean, what isn't that going to just continue? That's what I don't understand the physiology of what is going on in there.
This is somewhat keratinized, right?
Okay.
But right,
Oh, I felt the last little poke.
right
nothing,
under
nothing.
here.
Nothing,
Nothing here.
nothing, nothing. No.
Here.
No. Yeah, it's further to your right that I
Mhm.
feel things.
In here.
Yeah.
Underneath this area.
No, that didn't feel that really either. I think it's like, no.
Because this is nail,
Yeah.
right? And this is nail. But as soon as I get under here,
See, and I don't feel. No, that doesn't hurt. It doesn't
that's-
bother me.
there we go. Got a little piece out. Got a little pebble. I don't know what that was, but this is soft tissue right here. How about right here?
Yes,
That's
I feel
tender?
that, but not strongly.
Okay.
Just sort of barely.
I'm just gonna trim some of this flaky stuff, the tip.
The baleen. Let's get rid of that baleen.
Yeah, we're done with the baleen. So some of it's really sinewy.
Yeah, it's strange what it ends up. It turns string cheesy. I don't know. It's just,
Well, some of it, so it's difficult to tell because I don't want to go too aggressive, right? And have it be an inflammation response after.
Right.
Or leave you.
Oh, I do take turmeric anyway
Okay.
because of my knee. I'm on all kinds of stuff.
Let's see if I can.
I was on 2,000, and now I'm. They didn't like my blood work because I'm working on my cholesterol, believe it or not.
Oh man.
And so she wanted me to go down. Oh, I was on 3,000. She wanted me to go to 2,000. So I take a 500 milligram in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and then a 1,500 at night. Because sleeping with this knee is very difficult.
Yeah.
And I'm not all about that TKR. No
Mhm.
freaking way. I think that's where she got it to bleed was.
Yeah,
down
it looks like
there.
it's real close right there, so I'm not gonna mess with that.
So, can we train this little by little by coming back every month?
If you look closely,
Yeah.
I don't know how far back your fungus went, but right here,
Yes.
this is affected now. Everything behind here, it looks healthy.